You have hiccups?
The 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine in the Jeep Grand Cherokee has the best in-road driving range.
No, leave the kitty alone.
Which means you don't have to worry about finding a gas station. Which is might not be one.
Don't worry, Nia. It's okay.